జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Then Anjaneya Swami went to Jambavan, who is the elderly one, and went to Yuvaraju Angada and did namaskaram to both of them. Jambavan and Angada felicitated Hanuma. After that, Hanuma simply in one word declared to all the Vanaras, saying that Drushta Sita, I have seen Sita. Then Hanuma very happily hugged Angada, and after that all of them went to one beautiful place on Mahendra Parvatam. There they all sat together, and now Hanuma started telling them all the things, starting like this. Asokavanika samstha drushta sa janakatmaja. The one who is there in Asokavanam, such Sitamma, I have seen Sitamma. The one who is surrounded by dreadful demons, that Sitamma, I have seen that Sitamma. Ekaveni Dharabala, I have seen Sita Devi whose hair is hanging. And Ramadarsana Lalasa, I have seen Sita Devi who is craving to see Ramachandra Swami. Upavasa Parishranta, I have seen Sita Devi who is fasting several times and gone so weak. Jatila Malina Krusha, I have seen Sita Devi whose hair is all got dirty and whose hair got matted and whose all the cloths are got dirty and whose body is gone so weak and who is saying Rama, Rama and craving to see Rama. I have seen that Sita Devi. Drushta sa Janakatmaja, I saw Sita Devi like that. When Hanuma said all these things, all the Vanaras could hear only one word, that is, I saw, I saw. That's all they are getting to hear. Tato drishteti vachanam mahardham amrutopamam. When all the Vanaras got to hear that, when Hanuma said, I saw Sita Devi, with that word, by the time that they are hearing that word, they are feeling so happy, and with exceeding happiness, they are all jumping here and there. When Hanuma said, I have seen Sita Devi, the moment all the Vanaras heard that word, they started Kshvelantanye, Nadantanye, Garjantanye Mahabalaha. They started making roaring sounds, some of them doing different sounds, and some of them Chakruhu Kilikilamanye Pratigarjanti cha apare. As and how monkeys does kicha kicha sounds, some of the monkeys are doing like that. And some of the Vanaras, they are lifting their tails and again hitting to the floors. Like that some of the monkeys. And some monkeys, they are going to the top end of mountains, and from there they are jumping from there and touching Hanuma. Hanuma is like a big elephant with huge body. So small monkeys coming closer to Hanuma, touching Hanuma and feeling so happy. Then now Angada, who is there within all those Vanaras, saying to Hanuma like this, O Hanuma, you have crossed such a huge ocean and you came back very safely. Satve virye nate kaschit samo vanara vidyate. Definitely there is no one who is equivalent to you in strength and valor. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.